but I got my new Singer Heavy Duty machine in, and I'm gonna open it. See what's in there. It's a new model, new design. Oh, what just popped out? Something flew out. This is nice. The bobbin is pre-wound. Maybe they're testing everything out. Alright, so here's the little bag of compressor feet and attachments and things. So it looks pretty similar. Doesn't look like it's got much of a larger blueprint or anything. Alright, so I want to try this thing out. What I'm going to do is thread the machine quickly just to see how it works. There's already a needle in there, so that's helpful. It's one of these pre-wound bobbins. That's my thread. And these are usually pretty easy to thread. You just follow the diagrams. Up, down, up. Tape. An automatic needle threader. That works alright. Pretty standard. Alright then, the bobbin. Looks like a new bobbin threading system to me. Maybe this has been out a while, but I don't have any sewing machines that have a bobbin that looks like this. Alright, so now the thread is staged. It should be threaded correctly. Let's turn it on. I sew fast. Alright, and I have an old pair of shorts lying around and I'm just going to sew on just to see. Let's go down. Ooh, did it cut it already? Ooh, nice. Okay. So it doesn't look like it's threaded correctly. I've missed something. My stitch quality is not perfect on the top. So what I'm going to do is just rethread really quickly, see if I can get that looking better. And I always rethread the bobbin too, just for giggles. Okay, so now let's look at everything. Tension. It's a 4. Yeah, that's right. Tension's a 4. That I'm just going to leave alone. No, I don't think I need to mess with it too often. Alright, let's see if we can get a better stitch quality. Needle, I like to start with my needle in the down position. So now it should end in the needle down position too, I think. We'll see. Okay, so I think I need to program it to be in the needle up down position. Now it'll be in the down. Okay, oh yeah. It looks like so funny it happened so quickly. So it looks like my stitch quality has greatly improved. I don't know if you can see that. That's the first one, then I rethreaded it and went right back. And see how it looks on the back. That's nice. Yep, so I'm pleased with this so far. Let's see, let's just choose one other zigzag really quick just to see. Oh yeah. So I am impressed. Nice. This is a very nice stitch quality right out of the box. I'm pleased with that. So I can't wait to start creating. I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do with it as soon as I figure it out.